Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my boss braid wig. I'm going to show you guys like every step that you need to know on how to make your boss braid wig, so relax and keep on watching. So the first thing I'll be using is my braid extension. I use 3.5 pack of braid extension. This is a big pack of expression and I use 3.5 pack of this expression, and I just cut it into two and stretch it out and then brush it. And this is the wig cap I'm using, so I'm just going to start making the wig now. I'll start by crocheting little section of the braid extension to the wig cap. This will just serve as the base to which I'm going to braid on. Like, you know, when you're braiding hair now, you just need like a root to start with. So this is like the base or the root that I will need to braid on. So I'm just going to take a bigger section of the braid extension and then I will start braiding the wig. Guys, if you watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I put out a new video. And do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as it is very helpful to the video and to my channel. Also leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
So for this spacing I'm giving at the back, it's actually normal because I don't want the wig to be too full. But if at the end, when I finish making the wig and it is scanty, I'm just going to fill it up. It's better I'm filling it up than when it is like too full, then I'll just be wasting my braid extension. So I don't want that. That is why I'm giving this space here.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me so alive.
I'm going to sew in my closure now, and this closure is a 4x4 closure. You can decide to use a frontal, and this closure is a 4x4 closure. And if you guys want me to do something like this kind of wig on a frontal, please let me know. Leave it in the comment section. Just let me know in the comment section and I will make that video. Also, if you want to see this wig in a knotless form, like knotless braid wig, also let me know in the comment section. Leave that in the comment section. And if you have any other video idea or any other style that you want me to do, or any other style that you want me to make, please leave it also in the comment section and I will appreciate it a lot. So I'm just going to start braiding the closure now, and I use two different type of method to braid this closure, which you guys are going to see in this video. So just keep on watching and give me a thumbs up, guys. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video to as many people as you feel needs it. Just share it, you know, share this video, guys. Just share this video and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. And if you want to get this wig from me, or if you want me to make this wig for you, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle here so you guys can send me a DM on this particular type of wig, not cornrow, guys. I'm not taking any order for cornrows because it is really time consuming and I don't have that kind of time now to start making cornrows. So just send me a DM if you want to have this particular type of wig in a twisted form, in a knotless braid form, like any other type of form that you want it, just send me a DM and we'll discuss. All right.
Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So
So I'm just going to finish up the braids now, and you should have a pencil mat like this, and I'm going to dip it in hot water. I'm still just struggling with my setup. So this is the color I have here. So this is what I have here, guys. This wig is beautiful and it is not too heavy. I actually went ahead to take out 2 extra braids from this wig. Yes, I took out 2 extra braids from this wig, and we have this wig here. It is not too heavy and it is not light either, so it's just in between. So here's the final look, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Hope you find this video helpful. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.